Nin's Time Management Masterclass. 5 ways to get everything done easily and fast. So you've got all this stuff to do, but seemingly not enough time to do it, right? Yes? Yes, I do. In today's society, it's so easy to be bogged down with too many things to do. Your job, your kids, your spouse, your taxes, laundry, cooking, emails, exercising, redecorating, sex, drugs, rock and or roll, and most importantly of all, having a poo. Wow, that's exhausting. Well, this is the ultimate guide to time management and mastery. It won't take you very long to watch this video, and this is the only video that you'll need in order to manage your time effectively and well. So how do you utilise your time like a master? How do you do it? Whenever I've got a pile of stuff I need to do but seemingly no time to do it, I use a 5-step formula in order to prioritise the things that I need to get done. Use the TRAF system. Especially if you have a lot of paperwork that needs doing, the TRAF system can be very, very helpful. T stands for TOSS. If it doesn't require my attention, or it's going to take up more time than is humanly necessary, the easiest thing to do is to have a look at it and put it straight in the bin. It's probably not worth your time to deal with it. R stands for refer. If someone else can do the work for you, then let them do it. Beats you doing it, right? A stands for action. This is something that you actually have to do, so you might want to get started on those. And F stands for file. If you might need it later, file it away, put it away somewhere. The most important thing is to get it off your desk. Use the ABDCE method. Once you finish with the TRAF system, you'll need to take your actions and make a list of the things that you need to do. And I want you to put them in ascending order, and I want you to mark them as follows. A's are your most important tasks. These are the tasks that have severe consequences if you don't do them. B tasks are important, but not as important as A tasks. So don't be doing a B task when there's an A task left to be done. A C task is something that'd be nice to do, but has no consequence of anything. It won't cause you any problems. It doesn't matter if it gets done or not. D task is delegate. If you can delegate this, and if you've not already referred to it in the TRAF system, delegate it to someone else. Let somebody else do it for you. And E stands for eliminate. If it's not any of those 4, get rid of it. The kitchen timer. Once you've got all your A, B's and C's, which are the only things pretty much left on your list, it's now time to use my best friend, the kitchen timer. Take your top tasks and set a time for it to be done. And I want you to try and get that task done before the timer runs out. Try and make it a game. See if you can get all those tasks done. And once you've crossed off one task, I want you to reset the clock, reset the time, and go again. If you start procrastinating, use the 3-second rule. Without going into too much detail, because I've already made a video about it, the 3-second rule is a tool to stop you procrastinating. If you find that your focus is waning or you stop procrastinating, I want you to count down slowly from 3, 2, 1, get up, get on with it. Only allow yourself 3 seconds and then get to it. Once again, if you need more detail, check out that video. Say no! Okay, that was a bit too long. You'll get tested from friends, family, the TV, the internet, whatever. Say no to getting drunk on a night out. Say no to checking emails. Say no to watching TV. Say no to social media. Say no to porn. I'm not giving up porn. Sometimes learning how to say no is paramount to freeing up your time so that you can get all the stuff that you need to do done. Once you've got everything done on your list, then go nuts with porn. If you follow these 5 ways, you will literally be a time master. No, not that kind of time master. Although that would be cool. And that's it. There's nothing else to learn about time management. If you can organise your life like that, I guarantee that you'll get more done with the time that you have, so you've got more time to do, well, other things, I guess. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there. And on a closing note, guys, we all have the same amount of time as everyone else. But some people achieve more with their time than others. Be one of those people, and I guarantee you'll never look back. Well, this is the ultimate guide. I completely forgot what it's the ultimate guide for. Oh! I just broke something.